Hope you're having a beautiful day. This is lesson 6.6, which is on markdowns. For this video, you will need your chapter 6 notes, a writing utensil, and a calculator. So, the objective for the lesson is to find the dollar amount of the markdown. So, on your notes, you have these two vocab sheets. A markdown is the difference between the regular selling price of the item and the sale price. It is also known as the discount. The markdown rate is expressed as a percent of the regular selling price. So like 30%, 40%. You might even want to make sure that you're writing that here as a percentage. Okay. Stores often promote products at sale prices, which are lower than their regular selling prices. The markdown or discount is the amount of money that you save by purchasing a product at the sale price. The markdown could be a dollar amount or a markdown rate, which is the percent of the regular selling price, such as 20% off. Two formulas determine the markdown. So, on your notes, okay, so these are a little bit changed, so I would just get rid of that. So this regular selling price subtract the sale price is going to equal the markdown. So you're adding this part. And then the other is, again, you take the regular selling price times the markdown rate, which is the percent. And again, that's going to get you the markdown. Please make sure you have filled these in. Remember, markdown means how much you are saving. Oh, and here they are again. So on your notes, you have an example for at the top here. Nora Ishmael purchased a camcorder at the sale price of $499.99. The regular selling price is $549.99. She also purchased a flat screen TV at 30% off the regular price of $1,499. What was the markdown? So, if it's just telling you the regular price and the selling price, okay, so you need to listen up. If you stop listening, you are just subtracting and get the markdown. That's all you're finding in this lesson. If they give you a percent, then, and this is wrong, and it's going to be wrong. This is what I tell you to listen up. This is multiplying. So they made a mistake when they made the book. So the regular price times the markdown rate, okay? So make sure you're correcting your notes by putting X's there, okay? And then here are two questions. So pause the video, work these two on your notes, and then you can unpause the video and get the answers and make sure you're doing it correctly. Okay, here are those two problems. Shirts Are Us has a clearance on overstocked merchandise. A long sleeve V-neck top is usually sold for $36, but is on sale for $23. So you're finding out, find the markdown. Okay, so for number one, I'm pretty much, because they're both numbers or money, I am just subtracting. So if I take 36 minus 23, I get 13. Number two has a percent. So that's when you're going to multiply. So I'm going to take 219.99 times 40%. Of course, and you would get $87.99.6, which then would pretty much be $88. Okay, now you can go ahead and go on to the practice.